But everything starts out, this is important, everything starts out with that 0, and then it goes to 1 and 2 and 3. And what happens then? An endless stream of numbers. You could count into eternity. You could not come up with a final number. That to me was just fascinating. You will never come up with a final number. Why? Because it doesn't really exist. And it all is coming out of the field of nothing, which is everything. That's why, just picture a 0, like this portal, and everything, all these numbers start stepping out of that portal, of that field of nothing. Well, that means then that really time, there is no such thing. And for me, the more I recognized that, the more I understood that, is the more I realized what was the next crazy statement I'm going to make. I realized that, well, you can't really run out of money. You can't run out of something that doesn't exist. You can't run out of money, and neither could you really run out of time. To me, that was just like, whoa. So what we have is a program, a big program